welcome you all in our today's offline video lecture of class 11th information practices, and today's topic is Windows and its components. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Drugmulla. In the last few topics we have discussed Windows, what is its history, what were the various religions released by Microsoft from 1985 to the current version, that is Windows 10, and we studied various versions in detail, and today we will study different components of Windows. Let us give a little bit review of Windows. Windows is an operating system that was developed by Microsoft for personal computers. Windows is a personal computer operating system from Microsoft, with some business applications such as Microsoft Word and Excel became a de facto standard for individuals in most corporations at home. So Windows is an operating system for PCs, personal computers, with its business applications like Microsoft Word and Excel becoming very popular in used in almost all corporations and homes. Windows and its the main component of Windows when we start our computer are the desktop, my computer, recycle bin, start button, taskbar, and shortcuts to Windows. Windows has many components, but the main components among them are desktop, my computer, recycle bin, start button, taskbar, and shortcuts. And today we will discuss these main components of Windows. First is desktop. What is desktop? The desktop is the very first screen we see after Windows starts. So the very first screen which we see after our Windows starts is desktop. There we find various folders. In desktop we find various folders like my documents, my computer, recycle bin, and other shortcuts for various applications that has been created. Second is taskbar. The taskbar is at the row of the bottom of the Windows screen where all currently open applications or files are listed. Remember, our Windows supports multitasking at a time, so we can open various applications at a time. So this taskbar, which is a row at the bottom of the Windows, keeps track of all the opened and currently opened applications. Start menu is a button in the bottom left corner of the screen, and by clicking the start button a vertical window comes up with all our applications. Minimize, maximize, and close button. These are the three buttons in the top right corner of our Windows. These are minimize buttons represented by minus sign, and the second is the maximize button and a small rectangular button, and third is close button. Close button is small cross bolt at the top right corner of our documents or Windows. Minimize button is to minimize our Windows. Maximize button is to maximize. Close button is to for closing our document or application. Now is my computer. Students, when we double click on my computer icon on the desktop, it will open a window familiar to below where we can navigate between computer drives and control panel. So this my computer folder is a folder which becomes the gateway of computers, and by clicking Windows we get to navigate between various drives. We can open various drives and see all the files or stored in different types of drives, and we can also access control panel tools from this document, from this folder. Second we will study recycle bin. Recycle bin is just like a dustbin in our homes, and recycle bin is a dustbin of the computer. When we delete a file from a computer drive, it is removed to the folder called recycle bin. Files deleted from our hard drive are still available for restoring if needed, unless we empty our recycle bin. So files which are deleted from our computer get stored in recycle bin, and from via recycle bin we can restore these files to our computer. And when we delete these files from recycle bin, they can't be available. They get permanently deleted. To restore the files, open the recycle bin, double click these files and select the file and select restore. To clear the recycle bin, select empty recycle bin, and the files will be permanently removed from the computer. So recycle bin is just like the dustbin of the computer. Shortcut. A shortcut creates a button or icon which typically stays at the desktop, and when clicked quickly allows you to start a program or open a file without having to go its permanent location on a computer. So shortcut is a button or an icon on your desktop, and it gives us allows us a quick access to start a program or open a file without going to its permanent location in a computer. Students, thank you. This is it from today's topic of components of Windows. We will bring you more and more topics to give in-depth knowledge of our subject, that is information practice. Students, stay at home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Thank you.